Hey guys, Mayflom here, and I've got a quick fun little video for making your own ornaments. So I purchased some clear pinecone shaped ornaments, and by the way, you could do this with any ornament, any style. You've seen me do these. You can look back in my videos to find more where I fill them up with fun stuff and then put vinyl on the front. But guess what? We can do this with anything, and I wanted to try today to go with some alcohol inks. So for this, you'll need a clear ornament and some alcohol ink, and that's all you actually need. You can do this any color, any style. I'm just I squirt some in there, and then I'm just kind of letting it drip down in there. Now here's the thing with these alcohol inks are going to keep like blending and moving around in here for a little while. So you have some ability to play with this. You can also, if you use blender solution, let's see, do I want to use a little bit? I'll use a little bit here just to show you. If you use a little bit of blending solution in here, it's going to actually, well, blend, but also at times what can happen is, and I can already see it happening, although I'm not sure with the glare of plastic how clear it's going to be, it kind of like eats away and erases some of your color. So that's going to kind of become personal preference. How much color do you want? How much color do you want to see? You can play with as many colors as you want here. The one thing that I've noticed is this particular ornament has taken a bit of time to actually dry. So like this guy here, this is a bunch of different colors, and it took about a day for it to actually finally dry in there. So I did keep turning it every once in a while as I'd go by, give it a turn, but you can have so much fun with this, and you can add as many colors as you want. Now, another thing that you can do, and I don't need to put the lid on, you can also take your little blender felt here and tap color on the outside as well. And what I like about this is you can really get a really great depth of color. And I'll show you here on this one, since this one's already all dry and I don't have to worry about pouring anything out. I can apply directly on here, that's true, but it's gonna go in the crack. So if I also want to color the outside a bit, it's better to apply to a felt little blending pad and then kind of tap it on. And it's going to be subtle at first. You're going to want to layer on more and more color. Can you see there the difference down at the bottom, how it's much more gold versus the top? It's just a lot of fun, I think, and it's another great way. I know these alcohol inks here, they don't get used enough. It's just a great way to use them, but also have some fun and make some custom holiday decor. I hope you have enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Be sure to stay tuned for more. I'm always sharing videos here on YouTube. And if you have any questions or requests for future videos, feel free to let me know.